Hi CMH family, I am Ramona Williams, the Alexander Specialist here at Children's Museum Houston. I am outside. Right behind me you can see Flowworks and Eco Station is right to my right. You got it? Children's Museum is now open. So today I have this fun up and away catapult activity that I'm going to bring to you today. So here are the supplies that we need. You'll need a hot glue gun. Now make sure that a parent or an adult is the one who is handling the hot glue gun, because we don't want anyone to hurt their little fingers. Also, of course, a little extra glue stick if needed. We will need some clothespins. I have a total of 3 here. A popsicle stick, a piece of cardboard, also a small little container. I found this container, but if you have like a lid from a mayonnaise jar or a jelly jar, then you can use that. And then you see all my friends here. These are the guys that are going to be catapulted into the air. And this is just my example of what it will look like in the end. Now, let's get started. So let me say this too. I think it's always a cool and fun idea to let your little one design and be creative. So to add a little extra fun to it, grab some paint, grab some markers, and let them design their board before you get started, okay? So here's what you do. You take your piece of cardboard and you're gonna take your first clothespin and you will hot glue it to the board. Very simple, okay? That is our first step. Our second step is grab our next clothespin and we're going to glue this one down. Now we're going to glue our next clothespin down after we get our second one, so it's easy breezy, really quick to glue down. Okay? So we have 3 stacked on top of each other. And our next thing is to take our popsicle stick and glue it down as well. Now, what you want to make sure that you do is you give at least maybe an inch, maybe 2 on the end so that you can use that to flick it, okay? Now I'm going to put some hot glue. I'm starting to run out, so I'm going to put my addition in here. Oops, there we go. And you know, no big deal if you have some hot glue that gets away. I'm just going to make sure that I peel that off at the end. So I have my hot glue on here and I'm going to stick it to the top. Okay, so when that dries up, I'm just going to flick it off of there. Now we have almost our entire catapult. The last thing, you want something to sit your little critters or whatever you decide to use, and you're going to hot glue that onto the end of your popsicle stick, just like that. Now make sure when you hot glue it down that you leave a little bit of room on the end. That's where you're going to use your finger to flick it down and it's going to pop up. Now I'm going to give this just a few minutes for it to dry, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will be ready to get started.
Yeah. But I'm not giving up, right, Bush?
Whoa!